Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of our knots for sailing. Please check out my channel for part 1 of this video where I will be showing you the 5 basic knots we need for level 1 and level 2 sailing courses. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a rolling hitch, a sheet bend and a fisherman's bend as well.
A rolling hitch. What is it used for? It's more secure than a clove hitch, but its main purpose is to tie a knot that slides one way but not the other, useful for taking a load off of a line. Here's a nice picture to show which way it slides and which way it grips.
We have a rolling hitch, so we go around and cross it over like we did with the clove hitch. Then we go around again and cross it over like we did on a clove hitch. And then we're going to go round and tuck it through. So it should end up looking like that. 2 crosses over the top, one end down there, one end there. Make sure that's nice and tight. The purpose of this is so it slides one way but not the other way. So it should not slide this way and then slide this way nice and easily. So let's try it again. So we go all the way around and cross over like we would be doing it on a clove hitch. All the way around again, crossing over this middle rope. And then we're going to lock it off by going round again, but this time the end is going to go through the last looping round. Just like that. So it locks this way, slides this way. Locks this way, slides this way. Let's try and do it the other way around because I'm terrible. So we go, I'm going to go this way, and then look like that. Yeah. So I've just locked it the other way, so it will slides this way, but it locks this way. If you're like me, you'll have a way of doing it. I favour sliding this way but locking that way. This way of tying it is really unnatural to me and I had to think about that a lot then. Next up on our advanced knots is a fisherman's bend.
A fisherman's bend. What is it used for? It's like a round turn of 2 half hitches but with a lock on the first round turn. It's used for tying a rope to the ring of an anchor, making it super secure, and really difficult to undo because it locks under load. Here's a nice picture of how it should look.
So, we go all the way around, like so. Then we're going to go over the top of our rope and through this loop we've made by the bar. We're going to pull that nice and tight and then we're going to do the same thing again over the top and through the loop. So because we've gone through these 2 ropes here, this is now locked this rope underneath the 2. So however much pressure this has on it, we'll be able to undo the first one, but we won't be able to undo the second one because it's trapped underneath these 2. Let's go through it again. So we're going to go all the way around, over the top, through the loops, and then that's our first half hitch, and then we're going to go over the top and through the loops again like that. So our last knot on our advanced knots is a sheet bend.
A single sheet bend and a double sheet bend. What is it used for? Joining 2 ropes together of unequal thickness, securing a rope end to a small eye or chain. A double sheet bend is more secure than a single but has the same purpose. Here are 2 nice pictures.
So first of all, we have our 2 ropes of unequal thicknesses. The black one is the thicker one and the purple one is the thinner one. We start off with the thicker one and we're going to bend it in half like that. Our thinner one, we're going to go up the loop we've just made. We're going to go round the back So it looks like that. And then we're going to go through, oh my goodness. We're going to go through the purple one like so. So it should look like that when it's finished. So our loop comes out the side and our other bit comes out the bottom. Let's try again. So we've made our loop like that. We're going to go up the loop. We're going to go around the back of the loop. And then we're going to go tuck it underneath where we come up. So it looks like that. And that is it, our 3 advanced knots. We have our rolling hitch, our fisherman's bend, and our sheep bend as well. Please give it a big thumbs up if you have learnt something, and please subscribe for more on the water content. See you next time. Bye!